Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies operate independently of governments or financial institutions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many other cryptocurrencies in circulation, including Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and many others. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, there are a few things to keep in mind. Research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and speculative investment, and the value of a particular cryptocurrency can fluctuate dramatically in a short period of time. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. To buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges to choose from, each with its own pros and cons. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. Set up an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. This typically involves providing personal information, such as your name, address, and government-issued ID. Choose a cryptocurrency. Once your account is set up, you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most exchanges offer a variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular. Purchase cryptocurrency. Once you've chosen a cryptocurrency, you can buy it using a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment method supported by the exchange. Keep in mind that some payment methods may be more expensive than others, and may also come with longer processing times. Store your cryptocurrency. After you've purchased cryptocurrency, you'll need to store it in a digital wallet. A digital wallet is a software program that allows you to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency. Some exchanges offer built-in wallets, but it's generally recommended to use a separate digital wallet for added security. Monitor your investment. Like any investment, it's important to monitor the value of your cryptocurrency holdings and be prepared to make adjustments as needed. Keep in mind that the value of cryptocurrency can be highly volatile, so it's important to have a long-term investment strategy in place. Oh,